Caribbean nights, endless love, only you and me. Oh. Golden sunset melting into the sea. Every gentle wave keeps calling me. The island breeze whispers your name. Since you came, nothing feels the same. Palm trees dancing to a reggae sound. Heaven feels like it's all around. Your smile shines brighter than the moon above. Every heartbeat sings a song of love. The stars come alive one by one, holding memories of what we've become. Tonight the world feels so complete, with your hand resting inside mine, so sweet. No worries, no fear, no pain tonight. Only your love holding me tight. Every moment feels brand new. Every dream begins with you. On Caribbean nights, endless love, blessed by the stars above, holding you through the ocean breeze. You are my sweetest melody. On Caribbean nights, so bright, forever glowing in the moonlight. No matter where tomorrow leads, your love is all I'll ever need. Soft guitar playing by the shore makes me love you even more. The waves keep dancing with the tide, while happiness walks by our side. Every lantern softly glows, like a secret only true love knows. Your laughter fills the evening air, turning every prayer into answered care. Time slows down beneath the sky, as silver clouds drift gently by. Every kiss feels fresh and new. Every road keeps leading to you. Nothing in this world compares to the way your heart still cares. Every sunrise that I see brings you even closer to me. Warm Caribbean nights, endless love, blessed by the stars above, holding you through the ocean breeze. You are my sweetest melody. Warm Caribbean nights, so bright, forever glowing in the moonlight. No matter where tomorrow leads, your love is all I'll ever need. Oh, oh, oh. If the morning comes too soon, we'll keep dancing with the moon. If the rain begins to fall, we'll still have love through it all. No, no mountain stands too high. No, no storm can change the sky. Our hearts were born to stay together every day. Feel the rhythm, feel the breeze, feel the island, feel the peace. Now the fire softly glows as another cool wind blows. The ocean sings our favorite song, reminding us where we belong. Every footprint on the sand tells the story hand in hand. Years may pass like waves at sea, but your love stays inside of me. The moon still paints your smiling face. Nothing ever takes your place. Through every season that may come, you'll forever be my only one. Warm Caribbean nights, endless love, blessed by the stars above, holding you through the ocean breeze. You are my sweetest melody. Warm Caribbean nights, so bright, forever glowing in the moonlight. No matter where tomorrow leads, your love is all I'll ever need. Warm Warm Caribbean nights, endless love, forever together under these island skies. Only you, only me, forever. Caribbean stars shining so bright tonight. Only you, only me. The moon is rising over the crystal sea, like heaven painted this night for you and me. A gentle breeze whispers through the palms, wrapping our hearts in peaceful arms. Your eyes sparkle brighter than the sky, like every star was born inside. I hold your hand, our fingers entwined, leaving every worry far behind. The waves keep dancing along the shore, making me love you even more. Every heartbeat sings your name. Since you came, nothing feels the same. Stay with me until the morning light. Hold me through this perfect night. Nothing in this world feels so true. Every dream begins with you. Kissing you beneath Caribbean stars, healing every hidden scar. Wrapped together in moonlight glow, loving you is all I know. Kissing you beneath Caribbean skies, forever shining in your eyes. Every wave, every breeze above carries our endless love. Soft reggae echoes through the night. Everything around us feels so right. Lanterns glowing with golden flame, burning softly just the same. Palm trees sway with every breeze, moving like sweet melodies. The ocean sings our love song slow, only our hearts truly know. Every smile upon your face turns this island into grace. No treasure hidden near or far could ever outshine who you are. Time may keep on moving fast, but our love was built to last. Every sunset that I see brings you even closer to me. Kissing you beneath Caribbean stars, healing every hidden scar. Wrapped together in moonlight glow, loving you is all I know. Kissing you beneath Caribbean skies, forever shining in your eyes. Every wave, every breeze above carries our endless love. Oh, 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 oh. Dance with me until sunrise, lost beneath these island skies. No goodbye can change this fire. You are every heart's desire. Even when the daylight comes, our love keeps beating like the drums, forever written in the sand. Together, hand in hand. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the ocean, feel the love, feel forever. Oh, morning slowly starts to rise. Golden sunlight fills the skies. Still your heartbeat stays with mine, like a love designed by time. Every journey that we take, every promise that we make, leads leads us back to this sweet place where love forever leaves its trace. Years may come and years may go, still one thing I'll always know: under every moon above, you'll forever be my love. Kissing you beneath Caribbean stars, healing every hidden scar, wrapped together in moonlight glow. Loving you is all I know. Kissing you beneath Caribbean skies, forever shining in your eyes. Every wave, every breeze above carries our endless love. Kissing you beneath Caribbean stars, forever close wherever you are. From this night until eternity, you'll always be the heart in me. Yeah, Caribbean stars, still shining bright, endless love, forever together. Only you, only me, forever, forever. Our hearts glowing island moonlight. Yeah, island moonlight. Our hearts are shining tonight. Only love, only us. The silver moon rises over the sea, painting a dream for you and me. The gentle breeze calls out your name. Since you arrived, life's not the same. Palm trees sway to the reggae sound, like paradise has wrapped us around. Your smile glows brighter than the stars, healing every hidden scar. The ocean whispers soft and low, telling us where true lovers go. Hand in hand beneath the sky, forever starts tonight. And I need your heart close to mine. Every moment feels divine. Nothing in this world compares to a love that both hearts share. Our hearts glow in island moonlight, holding each other through the night. Every wave sings harmony. You're the only one for me. Our hearts glow like stars above, shining with endless faithful love. Every kiss feels fresh and new. My forever lives in you. The lantern sparkled by the shore, making me love you even more. Every heartbeat finds the beat of the island, warm and sweet. Your laughter floats upon the breeze, like melodies among the trees. The moon smiles down from up above, blessing every word of love. No storm can steal this peaceful place, no shadow hides your beautiful face. With every breath my spirit knows this love forever grows. Stay with me till morning comes, we'll dance beside the gentle drums. Every dream begins tonight, wrapped inside this moonlit light. Our hearts glow in island moonlight, holding each other through the night. Every wave sings harmony. You're the only one for me. Our hearts glow morning slowly paints the sky. Still I see love in your eyes. Every sunrise, every dawn makes our precious love grow strong. Years may pass like waves at sea, still you'll always be with me. Every promise still shines bright, like the island moon tonight. The stars may fade when daylight comes, but our hearts keep beating as one. Every road leads back to you, a love so pure, forever true. Our hearts glow in island moonlight, holding each other through the night. Every wave sings harmony. You're the only one for me. Our hearts glow like stars above, shining with endless, faithful love. Every kiss feels fresh and new. My forever lives in you. Our hearts glow through every year, closer with each passing tear. Under every Caribbean sky, our love will never say goodbye. Yeah, island moonlight, our hearts still glow. Forever together, forever in love. Only you, only me, forever. Yeah. Listen to the ocean, it's singing our love tonight. Forever. Oh, the morning sun kisses the rolling sea, like heaven made this place for you and me. Golden waves sparkle in the light, leading our hearts into paradise. Palm trees sway with a gentle sound, like love has finally been found. Your smile shines brighter than the day, taking every fear away. Every footprint up on the sand tells the story of our hands, walking side by side so free, where love becomes our destiny. Every breeze whispers your sweet name. Since you came, nothing stayed the same. The island sky is crystal blue. Every dream begins with you, where the ocean sings our love beneath the stars above. Every wave calls out your name. Our two hearts became one flame, where the ocean sings so free. You are everything to me. Every sunrise, every shore makes me love you even more. Soft reggae drifting through the air, filling every moment that we share. The moon begins its silver glow, lighting every path we know. Lanterns sparkle by the sea, painting perfect memories. Every heartbeat finds its place, lost inside your warm embrace. Even when the tide rolls high, love keeps reaching for the sky. Nothing in this world can change the beauty of what we became. Hold me close and never leave. You're the dream I still believe. Every heartbeat softly proves love was written in these grooves, where the ocean sings our love beneath the stars above. Every wave calls out your name. Our two hearts became one flame, where the ocean colors fill the skies. Still your heart beats next to mine, like a blessing sent through time. Years may pass like rolling tides, still our love will never hide. Every wave will always prove the ocean still sings of our love. Where the ocean sings our love, ooh, beneath the stars above. Every wave calls out your name, our two hearts became one flame. Where the ocean sings so free, you are everything to me. Yeah. Every sunrise, every shore makes me love you even more. Where the ocean sings our love, blessed by heaven high above. From this night through all our days, we'll be lost in love always. Yeah. The ocean still sings, our love lives forever. Under Caribbean skies, only you, only me, forever. Forever dancing to tropical nights, only you and me. The sun goes down beyond the sea, leaving golden memories. The evening breeze begins to play, welcoming another beautiful day. Palm trees sway to a reggae song, with you is where I belong. Your smile shines like paradise, brighter than the midnight skies. Every heartbeat feels so free, like the ocean calling me. Your gentle touch, your warm embrace, turns this island into grace. Hold me close, don't let me go. There's so much love we have to show. Tonight we'll leave our fears behind and let our hearts unwind. Forever dancing to tropical nights, holding each other beneath the lights. Every rhythm, every beat makes our love feel so complete. Forever dancing side by side, with the moon and the rising tide. Every moment feels brand new, every road keeps leading to you. The waves are singing soft and slow to the lovers down below. Lanterns sparkle on the shore, making me love you even more. The stars are shining up above, blessing every word of love. The island breeze whispers low, a secret only our hearts know. No worries here, no tears to hide, only happiness by your side. The reggae rhythm fills the air, with endless love we gladly share. Stay with me until sunrise, lost beneath these island skies. Every dream becomes so real, with every kiss we feel. Forever dancing to tropical nights, holding each other beneath the lights. Every rhythm, every beat makes our love feel so complete. Forever dancing side by side, with the moon and the rising tide. Every moment feels brand new, every road keeps leading to you. Your heart closer to me. If tomorrow brings the rain, we'll still dance through every pain. choices we made. Feel the island, feel the rhythm, feel the love. Forever, oh. Morning slowly greets the sky. Still I see love in your eyes. Every sunrise finds us strong, like we've loved each other all along. Years may pass like drifting sand, still we'll always walk hand in hand. Every sunset proves it's true. My forever lives with you. No matter where this life may lead, your heart is all I'll ever need. Together we'll forever stay, dancing till the break of day. Forever dancing through tropical nights, holding each other beneath the lights. Every rhythm, every beat makes our love feel so complete. Forever dancing side by side with the moon and the rising tide. Every moment feels brand new. Every road keeps leading to you. Forever dancing, you and me, as endless as the Caribbean Sea. From this night through all our days, we'll dance in love always. Yeah, forever dancing through tropical nights, under Caribbean skies. Only you, only me, forever. Yeah, your love warms every Caribbean breeze. Forever and always. Morning sunshine kisses the sea, like heaven smiling down on me. Then I see your gentle face, and my heart finds its resting place. The island breeze begins to flow, carrying a love I'll always know. Every palm tree softly sways, celebrating brighter days. The ocean whispers sweet and low, a melody only lovers know. Every wave that reaches the shore makes me love you even more. Hold me close beneath the sky, where only love can learn to fly. Every heartbeat tells me true, my forever starts with you. Your love warms every Caribbean breeze, bringing my heart perfect peace. Every sunrise, every sea leads your loving heart to me. Your love shines like golden light, holding me through every night. Every wave keeps calling your name, nothing will ever be the same. Oh, oh, oh. Barefoot dancing on the sand, walking softly hand in hand. The reggae rhythm fills the air with the sweetest love we share. Lanterns glowing by the shore make me want you even more. Every smile upon your face fills my soul with endless grace. The moon appears above the sea, lighting up our destiny. No matter where this life may go, you're the only love I'll know. When the stars begin to shine, I'm so thankful you are mine. Every dream has now come true, because my world begins with you. every Caribbean breeze, bringing my heart perfect peace. Every sunrise, every sea leads your loving heart to me. Your love shines like golden light, holding me through every night. Every wave keeps calling your name. Nothing will ever be the same. Tide that comes and goes only makes our love still grow. Side by side through joy and pain, our hearts will always remain. Yeah. Feel the breeze, feel the rhythm, feel the love forever. Now the sunrise paints the sea, still your heart belongs with me. Every season, every year only brings our spirits near. The island breeze still sings our song, telling us where we belong. No matter where tomorrow starts, you'll forever own my heart. Every sunset proves once more you're the one I'm living for. From this day through endless time, your loving heart stays close to mine. Your love warms every Caribbean breeze, bringing my heart perfect peace. Every sunrise, every sea leads your loving heart to me. Your love shines like golden light, holding me through every night. Every wave keeps calling your name. Nothing will ever be the same. Your love warms every Caribbean breeze, forever flowing through the seas. From this moment till life is through, I'll spend forever loving you. Yeah. Your love warms every Caribbean breeze, forever together under island skies. Only you, only me, forever.